Think your personal info isn't on Google? You might want to double check. That's exactly what Google's Results About You was built to find and remove. This tool monitors search results for your personal contact information and lets you remove it, all from a single dashboard. Google upgraded the tool in February 2026. It can now flag search results that include government-issued ID numbers. It is also easier to request removal of non-consensual explicit images from Google Images. This video will explain how it works. How to use Google's Results About You tool. But first, what exactly is this dashboard? Results About You is a privacy dashboard inside your Google account. It scans search results for your contact details. It looks for your phone number, email, or home address, and alerts you when they appear in search results. You can request removal directly from your phone or browser without needing to fill out long legal forms. The 2026 update adds government-issued ID number detection, making it easier to protect your most sensitive data. Who can use it? You must be 18 or older, signed into your Google account, and in a supported country. The tool focuses on personally identifiable contact info, including home addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. It won't remove professional info, content you control, or public interest results like court records. Step 1. Open the Google app, tap your profile photo, and choose Results About You. Or visit the My Activity website. Step 2. Click Get Started and enter the contact details you want Google to monitor for you. Step 3. Enable notifications to get alerted immediately when your info shows up in new search results. Step 4. In your dashboard, click To Review. Select a result and choose Request to Remove. Step 5. Track your requests. You'll see the status, submission date, and the exact URL requested. For explicit images, start directly from Google Images. Tap the three-dot menu and select Remove Result. Most decisions come within a few days. If approved, the result is removed from search completely. Google stores your info securely and only uses it to match results and process your removals. Need help? Erase.com has helped thousands manage their online reputation. Get started and take control today. Results About You makes privacy simple. If your info is out there, this is the easiest way to take back control.